Hello everyone, today I will discuss the JSON and the reason why it is so popular. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is an open standard file format and data interchange format that uses human readable text to store and transmit data objects consisting of attribute value, pairs and array data types, or any other serializable value. It's used widely across the internet for almost every single API that you will access, as well as for config files in the things such as games and the text editors. It is very common data format with a diverse range of applications, such as serving as a replacement for XML in AJAX systems. JavaScript Object Notation is a schemaless text-based the representation of structures data that is based on key value pairs and ordered lists. Although JSON is derived JavaScript, JSON is a language-independent data format. It is supported either native or through libraries in most major programming languages. JSON is commonly but not exclusively used to exchange information between web clients and web servers. JSON has taken over the world. Over the last 15 years, JSON has become ubiquitous on the web. Today, it is the format of choice for almost every publicly available web service. It is frequently used for private web services as well. When any two applications communicate with each other across the internet, odds are they do so using JSON. It has been adopted by all the big players. Of the 10 most popular web APIs, a list consisting most of APIs offered by major companies like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Only one API exposes data in XML rather than JSON. Twitter, to take an illustrative example for that list, supported the XML until 2003, when it released a new versions of its API that dropped the XML in favor of using JSON exclusively. Why is JSON so popular? There are several reasons. First of all, we use JSON because it's extremely lightweight to send back and forth in HTTP requests and responses due to the small file size. It is easy to read compared to something like XML since it's much cleaner and there's not as many opening and closing text to worry about. JSON also integrates very nicely with JavaScript since JSON is just a subset of JavaScript, which means anything you write in a JSON is a valid JavaScript. Almost every single major language has some form of library or built-in functionality to pass JSON strings into objects or classes in data language. This makes working with JSON data extremely easy inside of a programming languages. As we said above, most of the APIs are in JSON format to publish the data. For example, the Small Business Database, which is published by the US Small Business Administration. This database provides a list of all the datasets available in the public data inventory for the Small Business Administration. This is my today's video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.